Okay, welcome. Today I'm playing Agony on the Amiga. It's a game I haven't played before. I just know it from some screenshots, some mentions here and there, and I just thought it looked cool and I wanted to try it. So this is me trying it. I've connected my game controller, my joypad, and joypad, do you still say this word? Anyway, my game controller, similar to an Xbox controller, and let's see how it goes. Actually, since this is a shooter, let me, auto fire is on, just making sure. Okay, warp ahead. Okay, so the screen looks cool. I'm already in the retro gaming mood. Let's press fire. LSD's metamorphosis into an owl. The time to fight has come. Okay, so I guess I'm playing an owl who used to be some guy called LSD's, and we have to fight some enemies. Let's hurry up. Warp mode. I don't like to wait. The warp mode accelerates the emulator to 10 times or so. Okay. So I'm flying this owl, and the problem is when I press down it goes up. When I no. When I use the analog stick and I press up, it goes down. But when I use the digital stick, when I press up, it goes up. So I will play with the digital stick, with the digital controller, direction pad, however it's called. And yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is auto fire. It's on. Cool. Let's see. Okay, I like the graphics. Looks really nice. You can see a typical Amiga parallax scrolling. Amiga was famous for its parallax scrolling, is that the backgrounds move at different speeds, and this creates the illusion of depth, of course. Looks like I'm really going through the world here. Look at this graphics. It's really nice. I like it. Collect this, right? I have to collect this. Yes, I have better shooting now. Better gun. What's a gun? Better firepower. It's bigger now. Look at my flying, destroying enemies. Okay, these look weird. Look like sitting beds. Okay, more firepower. I've destroyed it. Almost destroyed it. It comes back when you destroy it. Oh, sure. But look at this. Lots of firepower. What guys? I wonder if you bought the game back in the day, if you got a printed manual where they show all the monsters and tell you how they are called, or maybe it doesn't matter. They aren't really animated, right? Just still graphics being translated around on the screen. But still, it's okay. Look at the Viking ship. Nice. Oh, there is a sword. I want this sword. How can I get it? Shit, I couldn't get it. Sorry. These piranhas blocked me. Maybe I get another chance. I wonder what it does. Stay on the lower side here. Spiders. I wish I would get a chance to collect the sword again. Yeah, I feel auto fire is crucial in this game, because imagine I have to press so many times, my finger would break. Okay, there is a sword. What is this? Look at this, I have a sword. Ah, everything that touches it, it destroys? Okay, look at this. This is the end boss. This is the end boss. Okay, let's just evade. Let's just be smart. Does it have an energy bar somewhere? I think when it's blinking, it's good. When it's blinking, it's good. Oh man. Will I kill it? Quite a few bullets. I wonder if this is the maximum firepower I can get. The rest is like flying swords. Yes! Yes! Destroyed it. Okay, let me save the state in the emulator here. Why are we not moving? Okay, it's loading. Cool! First level done, I guess. Yeah, nice. Saving state here. So this is the reward. Nice graphic. Maybe it's telling a story. I don't know. I guess I'm an owl in Dragonland, and these dragons are evil somehow. Maybe we are evil, maybe the owl is evil and these are just nice guys protecting their home. We don't know, because I didn't buy the game and I don't have the manual. But I will just assume that our cause is righteous and that we are the good guys. I like this relaxed music more than the in-game music. Okay, let me save one more time. Let's go. Okay, cool waterfalls. Energy fields. Bluish energy fields. They look dangerous. Let's kill them. What's this? So, I don't know much about this game except that it's supposed to be very hard. I said difficult? Yeah. See, now I lost a life, and I could just undo it by loading the state. This is like cheating, but what the hell, I have things to do, I don't have time to start over again. See, if he touches my sword, he dies. Okay, so I can just carefully maneuver the sword around and stay on the lower part of the screen, because on the upper I have the sword. So I just collected something. Oh, look at this! My shooting is even bigger now, so there is an upgrade after what I had. Nice. Nice. Wow, many. Okay, let me save. Just to be a cheater. Wow! I did it, I wasn't hit. Sometimes it's difficult to see the enemies because they are brown, the background's brown. Oh, yeah, but that is them. Another sword, yes. Oh man. Things are looking good for this owl. Let's save one more time. And this is how I play these old games when I want to finish them. I just keep saving the state and I keep restoring. And then even the hardest, most frustrating games are manageable, and I can enjoy the graphics and the story and the levels. And yeah, that's fine for me. I guess when you had the original Amiga, you could buy an expansion card. What was it? I collected some sort of paper. You could buy an extension card, and you would have a physical button. When you pressed it, it would dump the memory to another memory location somehow, and you would get the same effect, right? I don't know, but I assume this was available. So yeah, I think they were called replay extension cards or something. Ooh, bottles with ghosts. So I don't know what the story is, but they should have sent more than one owl, I guess. They should have sent more owls, like an army of owls, just to finish this off. But they only had one, maybe. Or one guy who they transformed into an owl. Okay, guy. Boomerang throwing guy, okay. Are you the final enemy, or are you just a regular enemy? I don't know what to do with you. Do I even hit you? I don't know. I don't know what this is. Okay, so he's killable if I do it like this. And look at this, I still have my sword, so I died and I still get to keep my sword. Or do I? Let's see. Yeah, this looks bad. It's moving and it's not. I mean, it's flapping the wings and it's not moving. Just make it black. Yes, another nice screen. What is this? Some sort of river. Okay. Let me warp ahead. A little bit more. Okay. So I think because I died, I lost one of my swords. This is unfortunate, but at least I have another one. So, problem. Okay, so you can see the graphics limitations of the Amiga because the backgrounds are green. Let me load. Because the graphics in the background are green, the monsters have to be green too, I guess, because not enough colors to choose from, just 32. But I guess this also looks better because these creatures are kind of in their habitat, right? And if you were an animal in a green jungle, you would preferably be green, so you don't get eaten. So yeah, Amiga limitations or logic, I don't know. But this guy used to be gray before, so I guess Amiga limitations. Okay, guys. A house. Yeah, I like it. I mean, if I bought it... Oh look, there's a dragon. If I bought it a long time ago, maybe I wouldn't like it that much to spend money on it, but now 30 years later or so, it's a free download on an emulator. Why not? Why not? In any case, thanks for watching, and yeah, that was Agony by Art and Magic. What a cool name for a programming company or a game development company. I should Google what else they've done, because the name is too good to just make one game. Bye bye.